Sì, ma se capisci che casta dicendo sopra para
No, pero bueno, mando mi auto para não, capisci não.
Posso tomar do police, please? E senhor aqui não tá mais
Não, não, disso aqui vai estar bom.
The problem is we have a situation with the land. First of all, the house was for Mr. Felix Week. And after that, there's other people bought the house, but then it happened to reach to us through the bank we bought it. And the problem is we are getting a fight from the people at Boliviastraat 28. Not only they, but because the both side of our blueprint is open, then our land go over the side. The people that rent the house over there, the lady come to us and asks us to buy the house from her for 150,000 florine because she's unable to pay the taxes. Okay, but we go to garden group and we ask them if they can lend us the money, which is 150,000 to pay for the house. They come and investigate. They say the house is illegal. It doesn't have a blueprint, so they cannot do anything like that. We say, all right then. We try to see how we can get back to her, but she did not come back. So from then we have a fight with the neighbors. Yesterday, that was the number of 24 of the 8th month of August 23. To my surprise, something that always happened, which is the grandson of the Rays, always come to park into a garage gate I have here. I told him, don't do it. It's for special occasion. Don't park there because the police tell me to make that gate for different reasons. Anyhow, he come back and he parked yesterday. I was standing at the gate there when I saw he passing, and then he passed, go up, and he come back and he reverses pickup straight so fast into the gate that I happens to get very upset with him. And I scream at him and tell him, don't do that, don't park. Then he come park right in front of the gate, which is the garage gate. And from there, it happens that I cool down. I cool down and I told my son to call the police. When my son called the police did not come. But they called the police till the police come. When the police come, we get around 12 police. And it happens that while I was inside, I had a rock on the front of my gate here, and they took up the rock. And they put the rock in the pickup and said that I threw the rock in the pickup. No, I didn't throw the rock in the pickup. When he reversed the pickup into the gate, I happens to lick the pickup, but not with that rock. I did not. So they come and form a different story that was not so. But all these things is coming from the land because they come after that. Sigiberta Ray come with a knife. He come, he want to fight. He come, he want to kill us. The grandson even show me his penis, take up his penis and show me his penis. And I don't understand what is going on, why these things is happening, because just for the house, and we are not the owner of the house. Banco de Carabio also a part of the owner of the house. So I'm sorry to really disturb the audience of Aruba with all these problems, but this is what really happening over here is a fight about the house.
So what exactly you want the government to do or whoever in charge to do so this problem don't come back again?
Okay, DIP came here and DIP asked me to we can cut off the taxes that go to their house, and we can have this house that we have here, only the taxes for this one. You know, but I see I was telling my husband today, we cannot do that because it is going to be a kind of ungrateful, because when the place was in option, 2013, there's a lady from DIP that helped me to take it out of option. And I appreciate her for that. Otherwise, we wouldn't have the house today, to the big option that it was in. So I just want to know that we have peace. How we can have peace? Only the Lord knows.